Okay, so let's talk about French kissing. I want you to forget everything you think you know. Seriously. Today, we're going to cut right through all the myths and the awkwardness and give you the simple, confident techniques that actually work. Ready to feel like a total pro? All right, let's dive in. So, get this. Your tongue is, well, it's a super strong muscle, and that power can actually ruin a kiss if you're not careful. You know that feeling? Like you're getting a dental exam? Yeah, that's exactly what we're trying to avoid here. The secret isn't about power, it's all about precision and timing. It's not about force, it's finesse. And we're going to show you exactly how to nail it.
All right, let's start at the very beginning, because a great French kiss doesn't just happen. The most important part, believe it or not, involves no tongue at all. Why? Because you're building comfort first. You're building trust, and that's what makes a kiss feel amazing, not just technical.
I want you to think of the kiss like a conversation. And a soft, gentle kiss on the lips, that's your opening line. It's how you say, hey, I'm here with you and I'm paying attention. This little moment of just lip contact builds this quiet connection, this sense of anticipation, before you even think about anything else. Okay, so once you've made that first connection and everything feels good, it's time to introduce, a new element. But this isn't a demand, it's more like a gentle question. You're basically looking for that nonverbal yes from your partner, that green light. And here's exactly how you ask for it. Now, this is the part where a lot of people get kind of nervous, but trust me, it's way simpler than you think. Over on the left, you see the classic mistake. Too much, too soon. It happens, but it's so easy to avoid. Instead, look at the right. You just want to gently part your lips and barely, and I mean barely, touch the tip of your tongue to their lips. See? It's a subtle invitation, not an invasion. All right, you've gotten the green light, the connection is there. Now what? Well, now that you've mastered that gentle introduction, it's time to add a little bit of flair. These next couple of moves are what take a kiss from just being good to being wow, unforgettable. Let's get into some pro-level techniques. So here are two really simple but super effective techniques. First up, tongue swirling. Just imagine you're tracing a really soft, slow circle with the tip of your tongue against theirs. It's playful, kind of exploratory. Then you've got rhythmic sliding. Think of it like a gentle back and forth dance. The key for both of these, keep the pressure light and the movements smooth. Remember, it's a dance, not a wrestling match. So, are you feeling a little self-conscious about trying these new moves out for the first time? Hey, don't worry about it. We've got you covered. There's actually a simple, totally no-pressure way to practice and build up your confidence so you feel totally ready when the moment is right.
Okay, I know this might feel a little bit silly at first, but I'm telling you, it is a game changer. Just make a loose fist and practice on that web of skin between your thumb and your index finger. You're doing more than just going through the motions here. You're actually building muscle memory. You're getting a real feel for how much pressure to use. Think of it like a dress rehearsal for the main event.
At the end of the day, all the techniques in the world won't matter if you're not feeling it. Your confidence, or even just being relaxed and present in the moment, is contagious. When you're genuinely enjoying it, that energy, it transfers. So just take a deep breath, trust that you've got this, and focus on the connection. So there you have it. That's the playbook. Start gentle, ask for permission with your touch, and then add a little variety. With these simple steps, you are more than ready. So get out there, be present, and remember what this is all about. Now you know enough to play your first hand.